I am in North Carolina today at the Tiny Sustainer. This is a new 20-foot shipping container home. It was actually featured on A&E's new show, Living Smaller, so you know this spot has to be good. It has so much outdoor space though, some of the most amount of space I've ever seen at an Airbnb before. I mean, these guys have 2 fire pits, a hot tub, plenty of deck space, and a hammock, so you can really enjoy your time here at the Tiny Sustainer. But now, without further ado, let's go and start the full tour. Welcome to this tiny 20-foot shipping container home. We are in Todd, North Carolina today, and it's about 160 square feet of interior space inside of the home, so it's pretty small. So we're gonna spend a good chunk of this time outside because there are just so many exterior amenities for us to cover in more detail on this tour, so let's get started. This aerial drone shot gives you a better idea of the layouts of this main area. The owners basically hauled the container out here, and then I'm assuming built all of this deck space and the stairs around it, so definitely an interesting process. We'll now move on to a true cabin necessity, and that is a fire pit. You actually have 2 here, the gas fire pit up top, and then this more regular wood burning fire pit. Now, something I haven't mentioned yet that's definitely unique about this build is that if you look to the right of the stairs, you'll see a trailer hookup here. And that is because this is a container home on wheels. You can take this thing anywhere. Now, on the main outdoor deck, you have these 2 little outdoor dining chairs and a small table, not to mention your grill, which is lined up against that wall. But in the opposite corner now, this is your other fire pit. It is a gas-powered fire pit, so it's really easy to turn on with just the flip of one button if you don't want to go to the trouble of making a fire in the other wood-powered fire pit. There's also all of these string lights that light up, and it looks really beautiful later at night. Highly suggest just hanging out here with a nice cocktail or glass of wine to round out an amazing day at the Tiny Sustainer. Last but not least, for this area, I'll zoom out with the drone, and you can see we are tucked pretty deep into the woods, and you have an incredible amount of privacy and seclusion if you decide to stay here. Next, we are going to slowly round this corner and begin to walk up this tall staircase, which will lead you to the upper deck. Again, just so much outdoor space, and this Airbnb is actually only meant for 2 guests, so you could probably rotate every hour if you wanted to a different area of this property and still be entertained. But now that we're up here, there is another outdoor dining area, so you could have your breakfast in the container, your lunch down below, and your dinner up here. And if we move to the other side of this deck, there is an additional sitting area with these 2 small cushions, a small coffee table, and another outdoor couch with some extra pillows. You'll notice that there are string lights even all the way up here. They basically cover every square inch of your outdoor space, and this is just a truly peaceful setting, especially later at night. I really enjoyed myself. Now that we've covered the 2 main decks, we're gonna turn our attention to the other half of your exterior amenities, which is located behind the container. And it's some pretty hilly terrain back here, so I was impressed they still managed to build all this. These stairs were decently steep, and they even managed to put some landscaping back there with a couple of those tall bushes. But let's now begin to head up there. So we're gonna walk past the container. This opposite angle actually shows what's in front of the home and all the space you have on this plot of land. And now we've almost made it, and we're gonna begin here on the left, which has your hammock in it. The hammock is perfectly placed in between these 2 trees, and this is one of my favorite shots and angles from the entire shoot. I just love how it's positioned, facing straight out into the woods and back towards your container. But now that we've covered this, we're gonna go to the last exterior part, which is your hot tub. Your hot tub is located all the way at the tippy top of this property. You could probably even call this like a third outdoor deck space. And yes, I know I keep saying the words outdoor and deck a lot. I'm sorry, but there is also an umbrella up here and a nice little bench built into the side. You can probably even call this double string lights because you have the string lights both along the stairs and there's two lines hung directly above the hot tub. But that's about it for everything on the exterior. I know we've seen a lot. This is just a quick shot of the surrounding area in Todd. It's definitely an outdoor lover's paradise, but we're now finally gonna go and check out the interior. So let's open up this main door and come on inside. On the left is your bed, and in the opposite direction is a long bar counter and your kitchen. We're gonna start in this direction, which is personally my favorite space. I loved how the bed took up this entire area, and you have that huge window, which you can wake up to every morning looking out into the woods. Even though we have only about 160 square feet of interior space, there is still room for storage. There are these two large drawers right beneath the bed, so this is a really smart idea for the layout. If you then look above the bed, there's a nice little shelf there in your air conditioning unit, and I just have to point out the stunning wood paneling that takes up the entire ceiling in this Airbnb. Last but not least, for the bed area, I was definitely pleasantly surprised by this, but I'm a total workaholic and I need my Wi-Fi, and it actually had pretty strong Wi-Fi out here deep in the woods. And yes, that is a smart TV as well, so you can still stay connected during your stay if you prefer. Now onto the kitchen, you have one of those neat looking bowling lane countertops, and this is a very well equipped kitchen. They managed to pack a lot into here. You have your fridge and freezer unit, of course, and a nice little stovetop there with two burners and your sink, and everything is out here in the open and hanging up for you, so it's very easy to find what you need. Everything from your utensils to your mugs to your glasses and bowls, it's all here. For the final part in this main room, opposite of the kitchen, you can find this long bar counter that runs all the way down this wall. There are also 3 chairs, and so between this space and your 2 outdoor dining tables, there are plenty of options for you to have your breakfast, lunch, or dinner at during your stay at the Tiny Sustainer. Last but not least, we are going to pull back this sliding door, and this takes us into the bathroom. You can find your toilet, sink, and some bathroom amenities on those shelves. And then this is your shower. It has this metal covering on it, which felt very containery to me. I'm not sure if that's a word, probably not. It definitely fits the vibe. Thanks for watching, guys. The booking link is in the video description. We'll also be touring this same host's other property in an upcoming video, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll see you very soon for another Airbnb tour.